Hey love bugs, it's me Nisha coming to y'all with a new video today. And if you read the title, you should already know it's the Firmoo unboxing. And a lot of y'all probably don't know that I do wear glasses. These are my glasses. Sounds like a really serious crash. Well, okay. Well, like I was saying, these are my glasses. It was time for me to get some new ones, so I decided to give Firmoo a try. I have my package today, so I have not opened it. Haven't opened it at all, and so I wanted to come on and open it with you guys. So I have my scissors here. I'm cutting, and they give you some cards, 50% off. I have a couple of those, and I actually got two pair. One comes in a little sleeve like this, and it actually says Firmoo here, which is cute. And this other one comes in a little sleeve as well. So the first pair, I was actually kind of, what is this in here? Oh, I know what this is. So they come in this little plastic case like this. And this is a little screwdriver and some screws just in case you need it to tighten up your glasses. Now I'm going to take my glasses off and show you guys the sunglasses that prompted me to get this first pair. Like, I saw these and I was just like, yes girl, yes, like I love these so very much. So the box says Firmoo. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see that, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to get in here. Why is this so hard for me? Really? And these are black, I think. Black and gold, just like the sunglasses, I believe. You have to do so much with this, Firmoo. But they are so freaking cute. They are oversized. They are nerdy. But I actually like them. I didn't think I would, but I do. Ooh. I like these. I like these a lot. And what I will do is drop the link to the ones that I got down below. Ooh, I'm wearing these tomorrow. I like these. I really, really like them. Let me check the prescription. Like, it changed just a little bit, just slightly, but not that much. Oh yeah, these are good. Okay, Firmoo. I ain't much mad. Like, I look like a for real nerd, but I like them. I like them a lot. Okay. So the first pair I like, and I pray they don't fall, and I drop them. I mean break them. I actually got another pair as well, and I don't like this case, like, at all. Ow. I'm probably gonna break this case. Pretty sure I'm gonna break it. No, I didn't. And these are purple. If you have not noticed, purple is my favorite color. And so we're gonna see. These are kind of dirty. These are gonna take some getting used to. These feel a little bit stronger than the black ones, prescription wise, but I like these. Like, these are cute too. I don't know which ones I'm wearing to work tomorrow, but I like both of them. I think I like these a little bit more, but this prescription feels just a little bit strong. I ain't gonna say strong. I'm just gonna say it's gonna take some getting used to. But yes, I like these, and they are actually purple, like see-through purple, almost pink. Actually, they do look a little pink. And I got the anti-reflective coating on these. They seem a little bit flimsy, but I like. Let me try these again, because I really like these. I really like these. Like, really like these. Like, I don't know which ones I'm wearing tomorrow. But I'm glad I got two pairs. Like, I'm very, very glad I got two pairs. So I will check back in and let you guys know in maybe about 2 weeks or so of me wearing both of them, and let you guys know how they wear. Like, they feel very, very good. These fit nice. And let's see about these. I'm scared of these. They feel rather tight, but I like them. These work for a wide face, but I like them. So what I will do is drop the links to the two pair that I have, and if you have not, check Firmoo out. Check them out. I really like these glasses. And if this video was weird, it's because my mirror is back here, and that's what I keep looking at. But I like these. These might be the ones I wear tomorrow. I like these a lot.